What is going on, guys? I'm Tech Series. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Pokemon Go iSpoofer without any computer, and it works 100%. To do this you don't need any app or any CD or any uncover to download the Pokemon Go iSpoofer. Let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is we're just gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up app.valley.vip. The link will be in the description. Go there and click the link and it automatically take you to this page. Okay, let me just exit this, and there's like couple of ads. Ignore those ads and now you can see there's iSpoofer for Pokemon Go, and there's a lot of other stuff. They just got resigned today, like 1 hour ago. Like, I just want to make a video about how to download it, but it will get revoked, but I don't know what day. Like, it's gonna take a week to get revoked or a month, like that. So now all you're gonna do is just go to the search bar and search up Pokemon Go. And there's another ad, just annoying. Search up Pokemon Go. Pokemon. It's right here. Ask for Pokemon Go. Click Gate one more time. Install. Just exit those ads. Now just wait to finish installing. It doesn't take that long. It probably take like 30 seconds or 1 minute. It depends on your Wi-Fi. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, it's almost done. You can see. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay. Now you can see Pokemon Go is on my device now, iPhone device. It says untrusted developer. If you want this app to work, all you're gonna do is just go to your setting and scroll down until you find general. Click general and scroll down and you'll see device management. Click that and click the first one, trusted. If you don't do this, the app's not going to open or work. And now you can go and open it like easily, like you can see it's opening. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay, click allow once. Allow. Okay, now you can enter your age and you can submit, and like this you can choose your age, day and month, submit, return to play or new player. You can sign in and play for free 100%. And this is what I got you for today. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.